Hello, I have a new package and it's a birthday package. Yeah. The package I have, I got it from a good friend. Yeah. And I open it now. Yeah. Happy birthday, 80. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm back and I had birthday on 26th April, so you've seen the letter of Leo, and I got a bag of Smyth Toys, an empty bag of Smyth Toys. Pokemon cards, and from L.O.L I got City Babe, and I got an L.O.L pet. Yeah. Reminds me of then I was with a friend of my old school, also from the old class, outside in Friedrichshain. That's a park in Berlin, and I got a new Monster High book. You know that I have some booth, also I have these books of Monster High, but in German, and my newest book is this, and the title is Monster High Gruselparty auf dem Dachboden. And that was my video. Bye. Yeah, I mean actually that was a bye. We see
Check it out. Check it out. Yeah.
so soft. And I can't. She is my first L.O.L doll. But her hair falls out. That's not so nice. Yeah. But I'm done with the unboxing. Oh my gosh. The headphones look so cute on her. And she is so beautiful. Thanks to one of my doll friends, Leo. And I got, yeah, I'm so thankful to you, Leo. I can't. Bye.